like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. And feel free to subscribe. We really appreciate it. It does so much to help the channel, and I've been coming a long way here lately. So feel free to like, subscribe, and do the YouTube stuff while I'm opening it up. You get the box, and it looks like this. You open it up, and it looks like this. And it has this card on it, which is usually selling something. And it has this other one is a book. Now, Allure is $29, and there's a coupon below that'll get you $10 off your first box, so you'll get it for $19. And they come with, they guarantee you 3 full-size items, and then it's either 3 or 4 sample size items. So it's, you know, it's a real deal. It's a good deal. And this, I feel, is the one, if I didn't have a channel, this is the one I would keep, because it seems to give me a lot more higher end items that I would never be able to just go to the store and buy, or I couldn't justify it. Even if I had the money, I couldn't justify spending it on that. So, you know, sometimes it makes me feel like, hey. So, and, you know, and there is a difference between Allure and Ipsy. Ipsy is mid-range. It's higher range than, you know, drugstore, but it's closer to mid-range. And a lot of these are high-end. So, and I will have all the links below in case you're just wanting the item that I show you. And because a lot of people do. They just, oh, I just want that. I don't want the whole subscription. So I will look them up and get the links. And I will get the price of the items. And all that information will be down there. And I will do the math. I'm not going to do it now, but I will do it. I'll put it on the screen, usually on one side or the other, of the actual value of the sample size items. And I put that down below too. So some people just prefer to watch it. And so the first thing we're getting is a sample of collagen firming ample serum concentrates. And I would assume this is a one-time use, and it comes like this. It comes like a, basically like a perfume sample. So, okay, I'm curious now. I'm not going to use it, but I think it appears to have a roller under here, but I don't know. Probably if I pull, oh, I see. No, I don't see. It looks like at some point you go like that, and it goes up, but I don't see any place on the underneath that would make it go up. So I would just do the, but there's supposed to be a ball in there. You can see there's a ball in there. There's something in there. So maybe you just got to pull this off, and it's a one-time use thing. Who knows? Oh, there it is. Hey, that worked. I'm looking at it like, what the heck? This is how you do it. You do it like that. And then you have to break it. So it's a one-time use thing. And it's one of those things that, like I always say, are you really going to see a difference in a one-time use? Probably not. So, oh hell anyway. Let's look at my little book here. I should have started at the beginning, but I didn't. What was that called? Oh, here it is. The full size is $50. There's $35, $45, or $55, and there's 3 kinds you could have gotten. It would have been collagen firming, perfect glow, or Hydra Plus, and I got the collagen firming, which is probably the most expensive, I would say. Goodness, I'm not drinking enough today. I'm sorry. For those that are new here, I don't have a large intestine, so I dehydrate very fast. I'm just going to go ahead and start. I'm going to go to the beginning, and we'll just go through the book that way. Won't that be so much more organized? It wouldn't be my style, but it would be organized. Okay, this is the first thing you get. Now, this is full size, and you did get to choose a shade, and the shade choices were Suede Powder, blush in Lollipoppy, Sundress SDN, Summertime Wine, or Petal Poppin'. You know, there are 4 colors, and I got Petal Poppin', which is the lightest of all. Because I have a tendency to not be... I'm very red naturally. I'm like pink naturally. And I tan with a red tone. Ouch, that hurt. That hurt. Damn it, Rihanna. In case you're wondering, yeah, she owns Fenty. And this is how it comes. And this is what it looks like. This is what she looks like. Now don't do this to me again. Okay. And it has a little protective thing, and that's the shade. Let's see. Yeah, it's not real dark. Let's see if it's buildable. Yeah, it seems to be a little buildable, but on my hand it's not real dark. I'll put it on my... There, you can see it a little bit better. And that's just one swatch. Right there. And then I'll do it again. See, too, it's buildable. Which is good because you don't want to go too much the first round and go, oh shit, what did I do? So there's that, which has a good price, good value, I'm sure. $28. So that's almost your whole box right there. So here's the, I gotta do something with, just put the trash right there. Okay, then the next thing is Haus Labs by Lady Gaga, and it's hybrid lip glaze in GUAVA. Let's see, is this it? And this is it. And that's the color. This is the box. This is the box. And that, of course, that end there on the end is the color also. So, guess what? Mine already wore off, so we're going to try this crap. I don't think it's color for me, but we'll see. We'll see. And yes, I'm using the it's very moist. It's very moist. It doesn't have a lot of color, so I could use it. I could use it. Honestly, this color I could use when you put the dark colors on and they're too dark and you top it in the middle with that. I could use it for that. Which is a very good idea. And that is a value of $26. Now, I used to do running total, but I just quit doing that because I'm not as slick as I used to be. Okay, the next thing is Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. I hate mess with you. This is what it looks like. And retail price is $75 for 50 milliliter. We got 15 milliliter in the box. So, how much is it? Was for $75. So 15 milliliter is close to a third of that. So this is close to $25 value. Right around in there. Probably closer to 20, but still. I just love it when they put them little tabs and they go down it and they put the cap on and they get in them little grooves and you can't get them out. I'm trying. I really am. I got it. I got it. I'm so proud. I got it. I got it. And also on their price, you can, here's what. Oh, I love it when that happens too. There's still, There's plastic in there still from the seal. So we're just going to go and pretend we did it. Because I usually show you the consistency. But you'll see how empty this tube really is. Because you can get air out, you just can't get the gunk out. Hey, there it comes. See, there it comes. And this is the consistency. You do have to push it down on it. And it won't go anywhere. So it's thick. But just don't think you're getting a tube that big, because it is that small. But it is $20 value. So if you're crazy, and it is a little thick, but it does go in quickly. So there's that. And here we have, where are you? Color Wow Razor Root. And it's Thicken and Lift Spray. I heard good things about this, and I need it these days. I don't know what's going on with my hair. I think my iron's really low because it starts thinning out when my iron gets low, and I've been having the trouble. But the price on this, and this you just pull your hair up and spray in the roots, you know, to give it a lift. And I do like the shine stuff. I don't have it on today, but they have a shine thing too, and it's nice. This is $24 for 150 milliliters, and we got 50 milliliters. And that tells you our value is about a third of that. So $8. It's close to $8. And then we got Aceology. And this is Refining Lip Scrub. And this is $29. And this is full size. So they did it to me again. Now this one came right off. This is a lip scrub. I'm just going to put it on my hand. Just, that's what it looks like. And it's just got little bristles in it. You know how lip scrubs do. But it does have quite a few in it. You know, some of them you put them on, you can't even feel it. And then every now and then, like, oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. So, and that was valued at $29. And our last sample is Eva NYC H2O Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. The enemy of frizz and flyaways is hydration. And this duo does a great job infusing moisture. And the full size price is $28 for 600 milliliters, and we got 20 milliliters. Now, I'm assuming that's both combined. Yeah. So, if you buy the, so it's $28 if you buy the shampoo and the conditioner. And the last thing in the box is your thing from one of the meal things. But, yeah. So, it's $28 for both, so you $12 a piece. But I will tell you, I saw somebody posting something the other day. No, it came in my inbox on, I think it was Instagram, and I don't really get on Instagram that much because, you know, I'm either doing YouTube or whatever. But on my Instagram, no lie, there was a sale. And it was now $100 for the shampoo and $100 for the conditioner. My thought was, who the hell pays that? So I put it out there. And nobody paid it. I'm like, damn, that must be good shit. But anyway, like, subscribe. Old people need love too. Come on back. Join us. Bye.